Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients, and you and I together and my neighbor Cannon will be making dinner tonight. We're going to make chicken fingers.
And then we're gonna eat them.
Absolutely. Here's what you will need. Almond flour, coconut flour, salt and pepper to taste, sunflower seeds, Italian herbs, cheese, eggs, and garlic.
Don't forget the chicken.
I almost did.
Step 1
is to crack some eggs and pour it over our chicken to make sure that our breading adheres. Go ahead, Cannon. Good job. It warms my heart to have children in my kitchen of all ages. So we just have to adjust their level depending. That's it. That's all we have. So you go ahead and whisk that up.
Okay.
Take your whisk.
We're whisking. We're whisking.
Great job. As soon as you're done, give it a little harder. Speed up your motor. Great job. Pour it on over. Take that from me. Perfect. You ready to get your hands dirty?
Yep.
All right. Go ahead and make sure that all of that chicken gets wet. Cannon's done a great job here. We're going to go ahead and set this aside.
Step 2.
We're going to make our own breading, starting with almond flour. Great job. Coconut flour. Some ground up sunflower seeds. You want to know how I do that? Like this. Okay, add our Pecorino Romano cheese. Make sure we get all that good stuff here. Let me help you out. There we go. Great job. And we are using dried Italian spices. I like to add to this as well by adding some fresh basil and some fresh parsley. But if you don't have time to chop, this will suffice. Our garlic, #1 on the anti-cancer list. Go ahead and give that a stir. Try and keep it in the bowl. I know it's difficult. So we're going to go ahead and stir all this up. Keep in mind this makes a very large batch, and you can cut it in half and put some in the freezer so you can skip this whole step next time. Go ahead, Cannon, and add a 3-finger pinch of salt. Look at that little chef. Awesome. Great job. Grind a pepper, and we're all set.
Step 3.
We're going to bread this chicken. Be sure to remove half of the amount to set aside in the freezer, and if you need more, you can always just go ahead and dip into it. All right, Cannon, show us what you got.
Take out your chicken and then roll it in the bread. If you're a kid and you think this is gross, just use a fork. Step 4.
We're going to go ahead and cook our chicken. There are 2 options here. They can be oven baked or they can be pan fried. So go ahead and follow your recipe on that.
What about step 5?
What do you mean step 5?
Eating them.
Right. We'll get to that. And just like that, dinner's ready.
Bon appetit.